In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer in Adobe Express. Layering is simply the order in which your text, images, and shapes sit on the canvas. Some elements on top, some underneath. Getting this order right makes your design look intentional and polished, whether you're building a social post, a flyer, or a presentation slide. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express so you can see all the elements you want to arrange. With your project on screen, click the object you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around it. Selecting the right element first is important because the layer changes you make will apply to that specific object. Next, either right-click directly on the object or open the Layers panel. The Layers panel gives you a bird's-eye view of everything on your canvas, stacked from top to bottom. If you prefer working visually, the panel is a great way to drag elements up or down the order. If you like quick actions, the right-click menu puts the key commands right at your cursor. Now choose how you want to move that object in the stack. Bring to front places it above everything else, which is ideal when you need a headline or a logo to sit clearly on top. Bring forward nudges it up one level at a time, perfect for fine adjustments when you only need to slide it past a nearby element. Send backward moves it down one step, while send to back tucks it underneath all other elements, useful for backgrounds or subtle decorative shapes. After adjusting one object, repeat the same process for other elements until the composition looks balanced. A helpful approach is to work from the background forward. Set your background elements first, then mid-layer graphics, and finally the top-level text or icons. If an object suddenly disappears behind something else, don't worry. Just use the opposite command to bring it forward again, or undo to quickly step back. When you're happy with the order, lock layers you don't want to accidentally move. Locking is especially useful for backgrounds, frames, or brand elements that should stay put while you fine-tune text and photos. You can always unlock them later if you need to make a change. That's it. Open your design, select an object, use the right-click options or the Layers panel to bring it forward or send it back, repeat as needed, and lock layers to protect your layout. With a few thoughtful adjustments, layering in Adobe Express gives your design clarity, depth, and focus.